Alright guys, this is Dwipen Gogoi, and here you can see this one Nifty 50. Today market opened in a gap down, but later on here you can see price goes up and close around 16,000 near about 200. So first the price opened around 16,100, I can say like 40. So finally close around 16,200. So exactly we have some buy opportunity around 16,150. So we entered here. If you see like global market, Indian market, Nifty are almost in neutral, but BSC also neutral. Bank Nifty a little bit positive, and India VIX, it's I can see it's a negative, but till now it's a Dow Jones are negative, US market, and S&P 500 almost negative by 1%, and Nasdaq also negative by 1.8%, and the rest of the Asian market and European market all are maximum market are negative. So why is it happen? Let me show you the global event. So first, the very important thing, and here I can see Asian market are negative because of Chinese lockdown. Here I can see S&P 500 morning it's 0 point, let me make it a little more bigger, okay, negative by 6.65, and it's US stocks lower. Renewed concern about Chinese lockdown today. Why Chinese lockdown? Because of COVID. And another most important news that is the Q2 earnings session now. Okay, and another most important news are US June CPI report, which is expected to rise 8.8% yearly from May, 40 years higher. So next May was 8.6%. Now is expecting 8.8%. So it is a highly volatile this market because of this news. So what news we have seen? First, COVID. Second, Q2 result, quarter 2 result, earning result, and the third, CPI report. So market definitely it will be volatile. So that is why you can see VIX, like US VIX are increasing. This is US VIX. Let me show you. Yeah, so almost 7% VIX are increasing. So that is why we are expecting the market will be volatile. So let me show you Nifty 50 in a daily time frame, and here technically we have seen price are creating higher high, higher low, and the higher high is the probability to pull back. Okay, so what is the supporting line? So supporting line would be somewhere this higher point, and another supporting line are somewhere here. Okay, so means there's a probability to give a pullback from 16,200 okay, to at the level of 16,900, sorry, 15,900. So 15,900. So it's a first support somewhere here. It's a rejection point, and another next support would be around 15,700. Okay, so basically we are looking for short if they form any bearish signal. Why? Because of global news, and exactly right now price near this resistance line. So here I can see price hit and reverse act as a support. Now this area act as a resistance. So it's a probability to pull back. So we know that price goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back. Now price somewhere there, it's a probability to pull back. So here you can see price goes up, pull back, goes up, and it's a probability to pull back near 15,900. So definitely nobody doesn't know about that one. So basically we are looking for buy after breaking the level of 16,200. so if price break this level, so definitely we'll go for buy. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. So thanks for giving your valuable time.